and welcome to another episode of G Talks, Greenwich's official alumni podcast where we invite our greatest alumni to come sit with us and talk about their lives in Greenwich and what they've done afterwards. Today, we have a very special guest making an appearance here who has just secured a great scholarship and is going to make a name internationally, not just for herself, but for her university as well. She was one of the greatest students of her time. Let's welcome Miss Hamna Chaudhary. Welcome, Miss Hamna. How are you?
I'm good.
And how has your day been?
It was good.
All right, it was good. So let's take a deep dive. How was your life here at Greenwich?
At Greenwich, it was an amazing life. I had a great experience at Greenwich. But when I started Greenwich, so I just faced some challenges here. So as you know that in matric and inter system, there is ratification system. Do you know what is ratification system?
Obviously.
Okay. So when I joined Greenwich, so it was I was just nervous that how students study here, what is the life of the students here. So in few courses I faced some challenges, and there were some courses whose teachers wants ratification. Even you have to write same to same wordings. You can't write anything else. Yes, in your own words. So I faced on only those courses, but and then after some semesters, I boosted up, and in BBA I got 3.52 CGPA.
That is so great,
yes,
mashallah.
Yeah. And then in MBA I got 4 out of 4 CGPA. Yeah.
Wow.
Yes, but so due to some percentage, I just missed a gold medalist. My name is not in the gold medalist, so it's okay. Because in practical life, you no one will say that you are gold medalist or not. They only count your work experience.
Very true, very true. And I think कि being able to take those challenges or उन challenges को overcome करना is very important than winning any gold medal.
Yes.
Because at the end of the day, that is your achievement that you were able to get over from that ratification thing and being able to actually learn from the studies that you did from Greenwich, which is actually nice because again, Greenwich University actually pushes us to not just pass semesters but learn from those courses that we take. So I think you are a true example of what it means to face the challenges and overcome them.
Yes,
and
I
again,
learned a lot at Greenwich.
Obviously. And if I were to ask you, what was your favorite memory or something that you will always remember from your times here at Greenwich University?
Okay, at Greenwich, first of all, I would remember Greenwich Convocation as when I saw other universities' convocation. So Greenwich University Convocation is very amazing.
Yeah.
It's very, you can say it's very amazing and glamorous.
Very true, very true. Because I think it is still true that our convocations are really the best.
Yes.
We go all over the top and all out for our students. And how did it feel when you had your convocation?
I was very excited that I'm graduating from Greenwich, and my parents are also excited, and they were very happy.
Right. And let's discuss your daily life here at Greenwich. So let's go back to when you were a student in Greenwich. तो आपकी daily life कैसी होती थी as a student?
डेली लाइफ वैसी होती है जैसे बाकी नॉर्मल स्टूडेंट्स की होती है. लाइक आप आएँ, क्लास लें, एंड देन यू गो बैक टू होम. एंड और उसके अलावा जैसे कैंटीन होती थी. जैसे क्लास के बीच में जैसे ब्रेक हुई है तो वी गो टू कैंटीन, कैफेटेरिया, एंड वी एट लंच. एंड बहुत सारे स्टाफ्स हैं यहाँ पे, तो दे वर वेरी सपोर्टिव. तो उनसे भी मिलना जुलना. एंड यहाँ पे मैम सीमा से कमाल मुगल हैं, सो उनसे भी अच्छी यानी कि कोऑर्डिनेशन है. और सो ऑल स्टाफ आर वेरी सपोर्टिव एंड टीचर्स आर वेरी सपोर्टिव. या जिन कोर्सेज में बहुत वीक थी उनमें टीचर्स जो है काफ़ी उन्होंने मुझे टाइम दिया कोर्स क्लियर करने में. एंड थ्रू आउट द लाइफ इसी तरह से मेरी ग्रीनिश की लाइफ ऐसी हुई.
सो आई थिंक इट्स सेफ टू से कि हमारा जो फैकल्टी है and all of our leading members of this university really help us.
Yes.
And they really polish us to become well-rounded in everything.
और इसके अलावा यहाँ के जैसे इवेंट्स हैं आपके, तो काफ़ी मेमोरेबल रह चुके मेरे एंड एक मुझे याद है, एक इवेंट है जिसमें एक इटालियन शो हुआ था यहाँ पे.
Really?
एंड ग्रीनिच ऑर्गेनाइज इटालियन शो. एंड जो मेरा जो कोर्स था क्रिएटिविटी एंड इनोवेशन, जिसमें लाइक द टीचर वाज फरहान अहमद शेख. सो वी ऑल क्लास पार्टिसिपेट इन दैट इवेंट. लाइक जैसे इवेंट में यही था कि लाइक जैसे मॉडलिंग थी, कुछ स्टूडेंट्स ने मॉडलिंग में पार्टिसिपेट
Yeah.
किया, कुछ पेंटिंग शो से इस आगे. तो इट वाज आल्सो वेरी नाइस इवेंट.
No, I think these events are really nice because when it was my first semester, I had a course for communication skills,
Yes.
and the topic was कि we had to show diversity, inclusion, or equity.
Yes.
So basically, what some of the people, because I was kind of coordinating between different groups, and I was taking care of the entire event. एंड एक ग्रुप ने बहुत स्मार्ट एक आइडिया किया था टू एक्चुअली यूज़ डिफरेंट पीपल इन द मॉडलिंग. तो हमने एक बहुत छोटी सी रैम्प वॉक लगाई थी एंड डिफरेंट स्टूडेंट्स के उन्होंने अपने ज़रा आउटफिट्स बनाए थे. सम स्टूडेंट्स डिड पेंटिंग्स आल्सो. आई थिंक दीज इवेंट्स रियली हेल्प अस बूस्ट द क्रिएटिविटी, बट ऑल्सो ये चीज़ें वी विल ऑलवेज रिमेंबर. लाइक 5, 6 years, 10 years later, I'll still be like, you know, I did this event and they had a ramp walk. I did this, I did that. So I think these things really hold on to us. And if I were to ask you any one lesson that you took from all your tenure at Greenwich.
एट ग्रीनिच में सबसे पहले तो मैं कहूँगी कि यहाँ पे लाइक मैंने स्टडीज़ सीखी कि लाइक किस तरह से लाइक प्रैक्टिकली लाइफ में जो है आप किस तरह से यहाँ पे स्टडीज़ करते हैं. एंड देन आई उसके अलावा आई लर्नड पंक्चुअलिटी एंड टाइम मैनेजमेंट, बिकॉज पंक्चुअलिटी एंड टाइम मैनेजमेंट इज़ द की ऑफ एवरी सक्सेस. एंड वो स्किल्स है अब तक लाइक माई प्रोफेशनल लाइफ में बहुत काम आ रही है.
I will definitely vouch for that because these are things that they really nurture in us.
Yes.
And first of all, congratulations for actually securing a full scholarship and being able to go abroad in Turkey, I believe.
In Turkey, yes.
Yes. So could you just brief us about how did that process go and what city will you be in?
Okay. So basically, Turkish government offers scholarship, fully funded government scholarships every year. The scholarship, the application of that scholarship is from 10 January till 25 is the application deadline. You have to apply there. In their portal, there is a URL, and you have to like log in there. First, you have to register your account, and then you will log in, and then you will make your profile there.
Yes.
And then when the Turkish government announced the scholarship from 10 January, so you have to apply it until 25. Yes, you can apply until 25. So after that, then I just got at the end of June. I received an email like you are shortlisted in the interview. Your interview will be on like 29th June.
Okay.
So I just the delegation team comes here and they take us interview. They check my original documents, education documents, and then after some time period, I just received an email and on 20 August that I got selected in the scholarship, and you have to like submit your documentation process till 19 September. So I was busy in the documentation process, and then I applied for visa, and I recently got visa, and now the tickets, they will provide me tickets, and now let's see when I will go. Yes.
Well, I wish you a very safe journey, and once again congratulations, because it's really a huge opportunity for our students. You know, Greenwich has always been a place where we always welcome such opportunities, and we have in fact hosted so many Turkish university fairs, and we have very friendly relationships with the Turkish Consul General as well. And I think we are lucky as students that we get to actually network with them and get these opportunities. So I'm really glad for you, and we will definitely stay connected, and you can then tell those students that I'm a Greenwichian and I studied from there. So after all of this, what are your expectations now that you're going to be flying off to Turkey?
So when I will reach Turkey, so first of all I have to learn their language. There is a 1-year language course, because here in Turkey there is a very language barrier.
Understand.
Yes, you have to face their language, and then after the 1 year language course, then my PhD program will start.
All right.
Yes, there's a 3 years of PhD program. Yes,
Then we will call you Dr. Hamna.
Yes, Dr. Hamna.
But certainly, once again, congratulations, because it really is an exciting opportunity. Moving on from that, let's do our rapid fire round. All right, I'll ask you questions, and whatever comes first to your mind, you just have to answer.
Okay.
So, are you a tea person or a coffee person?
I'm a coffee.
All right. Are you a night person or a morning person?
Morning.
Any book, podcast you would recommend or always keep by your side?
I would recommend books, because by reading books you will get knowledge, and you know like what the world, मतलब किस दुनिया जो है, like आपके सराउंडिंग्स में क्या हो रही है आपकी. ठीक
Would
है?
you recommend any one book if you were to say कि एक किताब जो सबको पढ़नी चाहिए?
Like जो मैं जो पढ़ती हूँ वो I would read story books. I would like to read story books.
Perfect.
Like,
I mean, I love having a fantasized book so that I'm out of the reality and living in this different world.
yes.
And any advice you would give to your 21-year-old self? So let's say if you were to go back in time to meet 21-year-old Hamna, what advice would you give to her?
I would advise that मतलब you just keep going, and मतलब आपने कभी हार नहीं मारना आपने.
Okay.
Yes, you have to keep trying and trying. If you fail it, never disappointed, never disheartened. Just keep continuing trying.
I think it's the most graceful way of
Yes.
saying, because I think हमारी generation में I think the issue is over the tiniest problems we give up. We say
Yes.
this is not what we want to do,
Yes.
and we change to a different thing.
Yes.
It could be your degree, it could be your hobby, and we just don't realize that we have to continue,
Continue.
practice it, and be consistent, because with discipline and consistency, you can only become the best.
Yes.
So I think you are a great example of that, given that you were able to confidently share your journey, ke how aapne struggle kiya, and you were able to basically build yourself by giving yourself that chances again and again, and actually learning instead of that rectification. Because it's really necessary for us to learn from what we study in university, because यही वो skills और teachings होती हैं जो आके आपको I think professional life में really help.
बहुत काम होती है.
And one last question.
Yes.
And again, this is an advisory question. What advice would you give to our generation, especially the students in today's time?
I would advise to those students who are currently enrolled at Greenwich University that you will face a lot of challenges. Even you will fail in your courses as well, on those courses which you are very weak. So, but you never give it
Very
up.
true.
You just keep trying and trying,
I
and
think,
once you will reach your destination.
I think that
Yes.
is the golden quote of the day. Never give
Yes.
up.
Never
It's
give
very simple, but it holds a great impact.
Yes.
And again, we are so proud to have you as our student, as an alumni. And again, as a student who is very new, I think people like you are the people that I would look up to, that are actually able to make a name for themselves and the university, and are also confident enough to share their own struggles. Because I think in today's time, we want to show that we're perfect. We want to show that we have no problems and everything is smooth. But the truth is that we all have issues. We
Yes,
all
have it.
lack somewhere. We all have weaknesses. To come up and to accept and then make a beautiful journey out of it that
yes,
you
yes.
did is just truly spectacular. And so thank you so much for taking out the time to sit with us and have this episode. We're truly grateful for your time, Ms. Hamna. And that was it for today's episode. See you on another episode of G Talks. Take care. Goodbye.